Sorry, I was muted. Tear down. Hold on. Sorry, headphones were a bit messed up. Why is that so loud? Okay. This is Teardown, as you can see. This is a really cool game. I love playing it. I've got some mods enabled. I actually want to see if they work. I'm gonna do the campaign. Let's see. Okay. Oh yes, I got a jetpack too. Here's my bedroom. Watch this. Let me get back real quick. Oh, it's lagging, ain't it? Something tells me this is gonna be a laggy video. What? Why is it so laggy on my end? It's laggy on my end, and it looks like it's laggy on the screen too. The camera is like laggy. Here's my crane. Oh yeah, I've got a vehicle booster, as you can see. I swear this crane goes through things like a hot knife through butter. Don't fall over. Watch this. Ah, it killed me. It's cold. Alright, enough with that. Let's watch some TV. Okay, I'm getting bored of watching TV. Do you, hold on. I'm gonna do Sandbox. The Sandbox is truly a great adventure. Because you can do whatever the heck you want. And I mean whatever. Like everything in my sight, I can destroy it. Which is what I will be doing. Oh, first let me show you something cool. See this? Hold on. Find a target. Ah, leak chemicals, that's what that says. I know it doesn't seem as exciting, but if it wasn't so laggy, it'd be going rapid fire. C4, I usually put C4s on the tip of this, and I put C4s all on the boom of the thing, so that in case I want to just destroy this vehicle, I can. Watch this, guys. I'm gonna hopefully launch. Dun 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 dun. Dun dun dun. All right. Don't. When I mean you can do anything in this game, I mean anything because there's a spray can, and I think you know what I'm talking about. I know some crazy people who would do what I'm talking about with a spray can in this game. It's weird. Anyway, I personally love destroying stuff in this game. There's the excavator. I think I'm gonna go into. I think I'm gonna go inside there. That's the office building. Alright. It's locked. I mean, to be honest, locks don't really apply to me. 'Cause watch. Oh, let me get out my fire extinguisher. Oh, it's lagging. Where's the fire? Oh, it's right there. Sorry about that. And here we got... Ooh, coffee machine. Does it work? Work! Ah! Don't care about you anymore, coffee machine. What, you? This doesn't work? Wait. Hi, plant. You're my friend now. No! Ah! Skibbity. Nope. I'm gonna make this toilet skibbity toilet proof. No more skibbity toilet. I just planted a C4 inside the toilet. Goodbye, skibbity toilet. No more skibbity toilet for you, because you're dumb. Dun 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 dun. I swear it's never this laggy. Why is it so laggy? Can't imagine how laggy it's gonna be when I explode the main factory area. Oh, here it is. Right there is the main factory. I'm gonna blow a hole in the roof so I can get in there. Because I'm not a normal person. Yes, it is completely necessary to put down that many C4s. Oh, how did that kill me? Sorry, I'm getting cold. Forgot to bring the heater down. Why is it going so slow? It's never that slow. I wonder. Wait. Don't. No. Oh, no, don't. Don't. Hello there, my little friend again. Okay, I'm not gonna do